Welcome to Calibration Engineering Services, the UK's premier calibration and inspection company. Since 2002, we've been delivering unparalleled expertise across automotive, agricultural, marine, rail, aviation, and emergency services sectors. At CES, we understand that precision is paramount. Our highly trained engineers provide on-site calibration, inspection, and testing services, ensuring your tools and equipment meet the highest standards of accuracy and safety. From our fully equipped mobile vehicles, we offer a comprehensive range of services. These include calibration of torque wrenches, multimeters, and pressure gauges, as well as load testing and inspection of all lifting equipment and to Lola standards. But we're more than just a calibration company. CES is your one-stop shop for workshop solutions. We provide preventative maintenance, breakdown services, and even complete turnkey workshop installations. Our commitment to innovation is evident in our unique asset management system, MyCalibrations.com. This online portal gives you 24/7 access to your certification records, simplifying audits and eliminating bulky paperwork. CES are a full member of LEA and the Garage Equipment Association. We have ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certifications, and are a VW-approved calibrator. CES is your trusted partner in maintaining compliance and operational excellence. Now let's explore our core services in more detail. Calibration services. Calibration is at the heart of what we do. Our mobile calibration vehicles are fully equipped to handle a wide range of tools and equipment on site, minimizing downtime for your business. We calibrate everything from torque wrenches, micrometers and multimeters, to airline inflators and DTI and vernier gauges. Our engineers use cutting-edge technology to ensure accuracy and traceability in all calibrations. We also conduct thorough examinations of lifting equipment, forklifts, vehicle tail lifts, overhead access equipment and lifting slings and chains to ensure compliance with Lola regulations. We can also carry out hand-arm vibration, anchor point and pat testing, ensuring customers' employees are not put at risk. All tested equipment is tagged with either monthly color-coded tags or unique QR codes. These QR codes allow instant access to equipment details and certificates via smartphone, streamlining your record-keeping process. Service and maintenance. Our service department is dedicated to keeping your workshop running smoothly. We offer both preventative maintenance and rapid response breakdown services. Our engineers are equipped with the latest diagnostic tools and maintain well-stocked vans to ensure first-time fixes whenever possible. We service and repair a wide range of workshop equipment, including vehicle lifts, air compressors, lubrication and wheel and tire changing equipment. For MOT testing stations, we provide the crucial 6 monthly calibrations required by DVSA. Our engineers will schedule visits to keep your MOT bay compliant and operational. CES can also arrange inspection and certification of air condition equipment and exhaust extraction systems. Our preventative maintenance contracts are tailored to your needs, whether you're a national chain or an independent garage. We offer specialized maintenance programs to extend equipment life and prevent costly breakdowns. Using our QR coding along with our unique asset management system, we ensure that no inspection or service is ever missed. And now, with our innovative Equipment Daily User Check app, our customers can effortlessly monitor equipment's compliance. CES are also distributors for many quality products supplying rotary and Ravagioli vehicle lifts, ABAC compressors, BM brake testing and major lift lifting equipment. Aviation services. In the high-stakes world of aviation, precision and reliability are non-negotiable. That's why major airport aviation clients like Heathrow and Gatwick trust CES for their calibration and testing needs. Our highly skilled engineers carry out UK-wide aviation services, including calibration and testing of ground support equipment, hydraulic tools, and torque-related equipment. We also carry out hangar door, exhaust extraction, passenger lift and step inspections, as well as Lola, PSSR, and load testing. CES understands the unique requirements of the aviation industry and works to minimize disruption while ensuring compliance with stringent aviation standards. Our on-site services at airports mean that critical equipment doesn't need to leave the premises. reducing downtime and maintaining security protocols. Heathrow is also the home of our first UCAS mobile calibration laboratory. At Calibration Engineering Services, we're committed to keeping your operations precise, compliant, and efficient. Contact us today to experience the CES difference, where accuracy meets innovation.